Look at that. What do we got here today? You're going to be on YouTube here.
Oh, okay. No problem.
Yeah.
What we have?
Okay, we've got rice balls, some arancini. Oh, we've got rice balls, some arancini, some potato torpedoes, which are right
Yeah.
here.
That's awesome.
Yeah, some delicious desserts, and we've got the spinach barbecue coming in about 20 minutes.
Oh, nice.
Yes,
Perfect.
lamb
That's
skewers.
awesome.
But the potatoes,
Great.
there they go.
That's for them, and we're gonna get them whipping up a potato right here.
Okay, do it.
It looks delicious. I see everybody walking around with them in the store. I'm going, what is that?
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
so cool. Is this your idea?
It's so fun. No, we saw it on YouTube.
Did you? Right
Yeah.
on.
And then we researched it. So the machines you can get.
Yeah.
These sticks are hard to get. That's
Oh, I
the
bet.
problem. It's the length of the sticks. But
Look how good he is at fanning those out. He was probably a card shark in Vegas there for the food truck.
you know what? You're right.
That's
There we go,
excellent.
look at that.
That's sweet.
Yeah, they're so fun. Everybody
Yeah.
loves them. It's a cross between a potato chip and a French fry, and yeah.
Love it. I heard your spinach is awesome too.
Oh, yeah,
it's
that'll be-
renowned.
That'll be
Yeah.
Salt?
Yes, please.
in about 20 minutes. That's good.
Nice.
Might go fire up the barbecue.
You can hold that.
There you go.
Perfect.
Right.
Thank you. That's awesome.
Another one for the camera guy?
Yeah, for sure.
I'll do what he can.
The kids must like these because they're like a sword.
Yes, yeah, we love it. It's one big potato.
And it's got to be healthy because it's a vegetable.
Exactly.
Right? It's got to be healthy.
Absolutely.
Oh, there you go. We jinxed you.
There we go. Saved it.
Yeah.
Don't use that one.
Saved it.
That's awesome.
There we go.
Perfect.
There we go. Perfect.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys being here today.
We love this. Is one of our favorite events.
Nice.
There you go. Thank you
Look at your
Thank you.
favorite so you can enjoy the spinach, right?
For sure. I'm going to try it. Yeah, absolutely. If you're talking free food, I'm here.
Yeah, well, once you see the smoke, then...
Yeah, exactly. Thank you, John Luke, for treating us to such an awesome food here at the open house.